I'm Gift Silinda. My project is about improving crime reporting and public engagement of the South African Service Twitter page using topic modeling. The South African Police Services is responsible for preventing, combating, and investigating crime. It has a Twitter page which enables it to share crime related information in order to promote public safety. The page enables the public to express their opinion and at times report crime. It has over 1.3 million followers with over 1.5 million interactions from 2021 to 2023. This is a very high number of interactions for a page that is not monitored 24/7. And this presents an opportunity to use natural language processing to group the tweet into topics in order to help with effective monitoring. Also here with the different topics, I want to see if these topics align with the crime reporting categories and also see if there have been changes over time. To do that, I did some data collection and understanding of the actual project, did exploration to understand the data better, and then did two pre-processing steps, one to remove noise associated with social media data and the other one to remove the non-English words. I then used two models, the LDA and the NMF, to model the topics. Two evaluation methods were used. One is the visualization and the other is the coherence score. With a combination of the two, it enabled me to select the number of topics that will be ideal for my project. So for the different processing steps, you can see that the second processing step shows that it's the most ideal processing step for the ideal process for the data, and you the coherence score, though lower than the raw data, the visualization of the second processing step made more sense in terms of understanding and explainability of the topics. With the understanding of the second processing step, I took that data to select the ideal number of topics, and here you can see that the highest number of topics for the NMF is 2, but it didn't make sense in terms of the work that I'm trying to do. So I took the second highest, which is the NMF. From there, there are different topics that you get, which is 5 topics here. And the topics do relate to the crime reporting categories, but in aggregate for some of them, it's not just one crime reporting category. So that shows that topic modeling is effective in categorizing and defining topics, but maybe not aligning it to the ideal categories that the South African page, the South African crime reporting categories. The results of the topics. So the topics do change over time. We see there's a spike there during 2021, somewhere in July, and there's also a spike somewhere in 2023 April. But the patterns are fairly similar in a sense that the category 3 is the lowest, and then category 4 seems to have the highest number of tweets in proportion. So the insights that I got from this is dealing with Twitter data is very challenging. Though the NMF model outperformed the LDA, the LDA is very easy to explain, so one must decide what the application is. And there has to be a balance between the explainability of the topics and the coherence score. High coherence score doesn't necessarily mean good results. The objective of this project was to classify the crimes and relate it to the crime reporting categories.